Mad. Guys, we've sold the caravan. I'm looking at the ring light. We have a light. I don't know. We've gone professional filming now. Danica's very professional now.
No.
Danica's in pajamas.
This is too late for my liking.
It is late at night, but
He forced me to change my top. Forced me, he did.
Oh my god. I wanted her to do it naked, but she wouldn't do it. Anyway, we've sold the caravan. Our beautiful caravan that we took taken in Australia and taken us so many amazing places and been super overweight, and you've all whinged about it in the comments. It's gone.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I'm actually really sad.
It is sad. It's sad. It was very, very sad. It's sold. It's gone. Here's a little image of it driving away. Bye. See you, van. It was sad.
Mm.
The caravan's been amazing, but we do have better things on the horizon. Don't we, Danica?
Basically, designing a product for the van.
Which we're very excited about.
Well, the excitement
It's gone because it's taken us a long time to get here.
Yes.
And
No.
we need money.
It is. It's mainly the money. So you know when like influencers are like, oh, it's taken me a whole 18 months to put. That's because I had money. Okay, I feel like the thing that stopped us has been money. Hence why the van is gone.
Yeah.
It is doing what I believe it's meant to do. I do believe we're supposed to sell the van, and I do believe now is the time. Hence why we've done that.
It's gone.
But yes, gone. And it is putting it towards our goals of what we want to do in the future, and also
Become millionaires.
One of the many goals.
I've got an exciting new project coming for everybody. It's going to be fun. You guys get to come along for the ride. We're starting a renovation project on an older caravan because we still want a caravan. So we still want a caravan, not too old, but we still want a caravan that's a little bit lighter, and legal, boring, and fits us all. So we're going to use a bit of the money for some sort of caravan because I want to keep it doing adventures. I want to keep doing YouTube. I want to keep on showing you guys all the world of Australia.
Bring it down.
Yeah, we're not rich yet. We're going to get there eventually. Manifest it.
Put it out there.
Yeah, I'm rich of love. Tiny bit of the money, a little bit maybe, is a new work vehicle. I have been talking to all of my customers about this, and I'm going to let you down a little bit because I told everybody. I don't know, probably 50 people. I'm going to get a GWM Cannon soon. I'll come service your car with my GWM Cannon and etc. etc. Then I just dealt with rain and wind. And I was like, man, it would be really cool if I had a van. So I'm probably going to take a really boring option here.
It's boring, but it's also logical.
It's so practical. It's so practical to be able to jump in a van and have all my stuff just like everywhere in there in the safety of the weather.
You can lock it up.
Yeah, can lock it up. I can jump in, have a little workbench.
Nothing's rusting.
Yeah, I know everything's wrecked at the moment. I can put a canopy on a Cannon, but I just feel like the van and all the oils and stuff that I want to carry and all the GWM parts, I just can't fit it all in a canopy on a smaller ute. I struggle with my ute now. It's bigger than the GWM tray. Anyway, there's a bit of an insight into that. So van incoming as well, work van.
That's for all your G-dubs lovers.
Boring.
Right.
Hey, G-dubs lovers, all G-dubs lovers.
They are.
Come on.
Yeah.
You all are. Except for the haters, the people that whinge about
They
in the
also
comments.
are the GWM followers.
Yeah, they love it too.
Does anyone follow us for the trips?
They follow us for you, Danica.
Okay, please.
We moved into this house out of a caravan. It was so excited because we're like, oh my god, this huge 3-bedroom little house is massive because we came out of a caravan.
It was big.
And it's really done the job.
And then I'm also thinking, you don't need a backyard. Like, what do you need a backyard for? I probably still don't need a backyard.
We don't need a backyard.
But I want like a little piece of entertainment area where I can sit out. I can't sit out there.
We want to be able to sit outside, have a coffee, have a chill, have people over.
Enjoy the weather out of this section of our property.
Because we've got no outdoor area on this house. It's just a bit of grass outside. That's it. It's very, very basic house, but it's done the job really well.
It has done our transition very well. I have loved it. I've now started to hate it.
Yeah, we've grown and we need more stuff, and we need computer desks. And Caden likes to do gaming online, and has got a computer and desk in his room, and his room's very small. Blah 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 blah.
And I mean, if they want people over, they are just taking up our lounge room, and that's fine. But I also don't want to be shoved into my room. And anyways, all that crap aside, we've outgrown it. It's done its job. Let's move on to bigger and better things.
Yeah, we want to get
not much.
Just Still renting. We're not buying anything.
We're not there yet.
Just going to get a bigger house. Still stay in the area we're in. A bit of an upskirt. Bit of an insight to what we're doing.
Apart from all of those things, we also went through a cyclone, so didn't really do much then.
About the cyclone.
What?
Our caravan, our beautiful off-grid, complete off-grid caravan, set up for off-grid, sold it on Tuesday. Then the cyclone came. The cyclone was all happening on Thursday and Friday or whatever, so everyone was freaking out. So my job's cancelled for Wednesday. Thursday was whatever, nothing going on Thursday. Friday it got windy. Friday night about midnight the power cut out and we lost power for three full days, and 3 full nights with no power. It was pretty crazy just to think that we just had an off-grid caravan sitting there, that we could have had a fridge, shower, hot water,
the freezer,
TV. We could have had everything, complete off-grid setup just sitting right there, and then we sold it 2 days prior to the full blackout.
Rookie error, but
that was dumb.
I think the most crap thing about having no power was only because we didn't know when it was coming back.
Yeah.
Obviously 3 days off grid, no shower. Like I would have been like, sweet, no shower. But I also had that girly time. So that was just my peak moment right there. Right. It was splendid.
If they did say the power's you just got no power for 3 days.
We'd be like, sweet, you should repair it. And you're like, awesome. Yeah. But they were saying 2 weeks.
They said 2 weeks to us a bunch of times. So we're like, holy crap, man. And my generator, I got a King's generator, thank God. I've got that.
That was very thankful.
That was super
peeps.
good. Yeah. That was so lucky. So all my neighbours got the all day for a few days. So by the 3rd day, I was running the TV off it anyway, so I couldn't be bothered.
We were just pumping fuel in there.
It was just like, put the petrol in,
and then our fence flapped down. Went over to their side, and then their other fence on the other side went into their house. It was chaos.
Fences falling over everywhere, trees all over the road. What else? Our satellite came off the roof. Just all this random stuff going on. But
my dog stepped on a bee.
Nothing compared to obviously
other people.
Yeah, other people with flooding and stuff in their
full
house.
Flooded housing. It was insane. So really thinking about them.
That's wild.
It is. We're very lucky, very thankful. Absolutely. We could have been turfed out of this house.
We could have woken up in the backyard, just floating around.
You would have loved that.
Yeah, no. I sort of wanted some crazy storm, but whatever. Everybody else did. To be honest, you all wanted this crazy storm. We wanted to see it, and it was very small.
New caravan incoming.
New caravan is incoming, guys. Next episode.
10, 10, 10, 10, 10, finished on the 10 down. So.
It just goes out. And we're just like, as it moves, as it fades out.
It's not a radio show.
Yeah, as it fades out, like, yeah. Let's do that, ready?
I bet you'll hate it. I'll be like, nope.
I'm not putting that in there. That's I don't even know what that's from. I don't even know I'm still talking. We said bye. It's time to go. See you guys.
Oh my god. Because we all fam.
In the club, we all fam.
Fuck's sake.
Oh, I didn't press record.
Funny, every time.